Every day is a fresh start. Do you not agree? You are listening to 111 Tips for Learning a Language. This is episode 11. I welcome you with an open heart. Today is about rewarding yourself after achieving a learning goal. You may finally go for that expensive latte down the fancy cafe. You may wish to buy a new pair of shoes you have been eyeing for some time, but have not found a good enough reason to buy it, as you already have so many shoes. Enjoy and let loose after you have achieved your learning goals. Now, it can be a small goal. It does not need to be a big one because there is always room for improvement. And we should celebrate the little stuff because it becomes the big stuff in the end. It is the learning journey or progress, in other words, which matter and not the end result per se. But when the end result is achieved well, give yourself a pat on the back and reward yourself. You can always plan in advance how you want to reward yourself for achieving a learning goal. You must be disciplined and not backtrack once you have set your reward. That is the fun of it. I have, on many occasions, rewarded myself with my favorite McDonald's sundae after I have achieved a goal. This further motivates me for more learning and also more yummy sundaes to come. With that, I wish you inspired learning as you continue your journey for your chosen language. You will hear from me soon in our next episode.